this is what you see as soon as you get off the ship, guys. So we didn't get dressed for the beach, but we may go back. I don't know. But it looks like you can, there's a beach right outside of the ship. Like there's the ship and there's the beach. So this is pretty good. And then of course a lot of shops and stuff. So we're probably gonna check out the shops. We just got off at 9:18. I think the ship time is an hour ahead, I believe. Well, I know it is because I was just sitting inside, and so they're an hour ahead. We're an hour behind on our time here. So I think we're supposed to be back on the ship at 3:30, but 2:30 on our regular watches. So you have to keep up with all those times. So let's go see what they have to offer in Grand Turks.
That's a good shot.
Starbucks.
Alright guys, so we just came out of the duty free, and then there's just stores all over the place. So we're gonna see about checking some places out. I bet you can find your pen over there in the Ron John.
Yeah, but I want to see if we find a different one.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna start this way. We got Starbucks, guys. So if you need your fix while you're on vacation, they got one right here. Alright, so we're going to the craft market. See what they got up in here. Oh, you got one?
But is this their flag?
Yeah. You think they'd be carrying another person's flag? $6.
How much?
$4.
How much is this?
$6.
$6? You take cards or
No, it's like cash.
cash?
Yes,
Give her 20, 30. I'm gonna take a picture by the astronaut, Mr. Jones. There's supposed to be a place over here to eat and drink too. I wanna go to Margaritaville. Huh? Yeah, all those people back there.